In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account in iPhone. Open your browser, come on here, type in gmail.com, right? So this is going to come out, this is going to come out. So once it has opened up now, what we're going to do right now, click on this, click on add another account. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. Click on create account, click on the first option. So come on here, you can just type, let me say James, right? So type in James Rodney, click on the next. So come on here, type in, make sure you choose this well, right? So I'm using this for an example. So come on, I'm gonna click on this, click on the next. So wait for it to load up. So you can just come on here and type in right. So I'm gonna click on the next. Okay, I'll try this. I think this is gonna go. Okay, so what you need to do now, I'm gonna enter this, right? So I'm gonna remove this part of this video, right, for some privacy reasons. Okay, yeah, so this is the next thing I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna just click on the skip. So yeah, this is our account. We just created a Gmail account here in our mobile. Click on the next. So once you are done, click on the agree. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'm gonna see you in the next video.